Hi, my name is Angela Clark and I'm an APQS educator. Here's some things that I wish someone had told me when I started long arm quilting. The first is you need to practice. Load practice cloth on your frame and practice what you want to do on your first quilt. The more you practice, the more confident you're going to be and the easier it's going to be. You also need to relax. Drop your shoulders, take a deep breath and breathe out. You want this to be fun, right? You don't want to be stressed out when you're doing this. The more calm you are and the more relaxed you are, the easier it's going to be for you to stitch your quilt. And then the last thing that I don't think I thought of when I was first starting is you need to play and you need to not be afraid of your machine. These machines are built tough and there's nothing you're going to do that's going to hurt it, so experiment, have fun, and play with it.